Alternating lunges. So I have my power blocks here set at about 7.5 pounds each, just to show you proper form. Starting with alternating lunges, you have your feet hip width apart, slight bend in your knee. The entire time we do these alternating lunges, your feet will never cross, meaning they'll never go one in front of the other or one over. You want to keep them like you're on railroad tracks, not on a balance beam. Get it? Railroad tracks, balance beam. So often when I see people do lunges, they want to step one foot in front of the other. You want to keep that distance in between. It'll help you keep your balance, and you need more stability, so it'll help you by creating that wider base. So alternating lunges, stepping forward. One foot steps forward, keeping that distance between your feet. You lower straight down, straight back up. Bring it together, alternate to the other side. Drop it down, take it up. The whole time you've got to keep that belly button in nice and tight. Shoulders up, back, down. Belly button's pulled into your spine, ribs are pulled down. Lower abdominals are up and in. Inhale, drop. Exhale, push it up. Pushing through the heel of that front foot as you come to stand up, going onto your toe of the back foot as you drop in. Inhale, exhale. Going from a side view, you can see as I drop forward, my body doesn't hinge forward. I stay up tall. So you can see here, 90-degree angle, front and back. Push it back up. Inhale, drop. Exhale, push it up. Inhale, drop. Exhale, push it up. Squeezing into your glutes every time you come up. Inhale, drop. Exhale, push. Inhale, drop. Exhale, push. There are your alternating lunges. You can also do them stepping back. Step back and up. Back and up. Same exact thing happens. And up. 90-degree angle, front and back leg. Keeping that distance between your feet. Right here and up. Here and up. Awesome. There you go. There you have it. Alternating lunges. Complete.